Hello and welcome to day number 121 of this Travel Trader series, and we're still in lockdown, so we still have plenty of time to trade and to watch the markets. Today I want to talk a little bit about how to cheat with statistics. Reason is because today the unemployment numbers came out for Italy. And let's say unexpectedly, the unemployment percentage rate for Italy went down. So we have less unemployment in March. As you might recall, Italy claims to be one of the most affected countries for the coronavirus, but obviously the employment market is in great shape because unemployment went down. So when you look into it, the reasoning behind it is that's what they said, or that's what I read today. So unemployment rate was expected to be above 10%, coming from 9.3, and it went down to 8.4. And the reason for it was that people stopped looking for employment. So that seems to be a great thing to bring down the unemployment rate in Italy. So if everyone that stops looking for a job is thought to be no longer unemployment, then obviously we have a great solution for Italy and we don't have to mind. One of the reasons why I'm looking at Italy is actually that I'm very concerned about several European countries actually that are heading in the very same direction than we had with Greece in 2011. So I'm watching a few things closer than I usually would, just in order to see whether we will have a European debt crisis 2.0 and whether I want to make some money out of it. And of course I will keep you updated in this video series over the next time. Let's come to today's trading. So I had a couple of index trades, started out very well. First trade was up 1,005 euros, second trade was up 130 euro, third trade was down then 1,020 euro, and the fourth trade was up again with plus 205 euros. So in total we made 320 euro, which is a little bit annoying since we were up quite nicely in the beginning. However, we had like one missed trade, but we still made some money, so everything is fine. Also, I was talking that I researched into a new strategy in the bond futures, and I had another chance to trade that today. Result is we have our second winning trade. We're up 1,030 euros, so that went very, very well. So out of two trades, we have two winning trades up 2,000 euro, and I will ramp it up in size over the next few weeks, so we can make some more money out of it every time when we have opportunity to trade in bond futures. Another trade was closed today was zinc. We made 741 euro and 11 cents. I closed our gold trade as I used it a little bit to set off some of the risks we have in US dollar. So we closed it with a loss of 1,023 euro and 20 cents. And there was also a mini position in US dollar Norwegian krona that I closed with a 34 euro and 90 cent profit. So we are up in these trades combined 782 euro and 81 cents, and together with our day trading today we made 1,102 euro and 81 cents during the day. We still have some open trades, so British pound euro, the one that finally decided it wants to rather go up than down, so it completely went against us. That's why I put on a repair trade, and now we will see whether we continue to rise and then we will make our money back anyway. We're currently down 3,984 euros, so we are looking forward to repairing it over the next few days and bring the position back to break even at least. Our cocoa trade is closed actually already at plus 290 euros, so it's still an open trade, but trading for cocoa is closed already, so we're making a bit of money there and looking forward to make some more money over the next few days. I put a new position on in corn, a long position in order to make some money with rising corn prices at the moment. And we are currently down 210 euro, and of course we have our US dollar Swedish krona trade, where we are up 33,705 Swedish krona, which is around 3,150 euro. So that offsets our British pound euro trade very, very well as well. And the last position, something that I put on new again, is a long position in soybeans, where we are up 1,590 euros. So we have, if we count that together, unrealized profits of 836. So not too bad, as a few days ago we were down, I think, nearly 5,000 euro, if I remember correctly. So we turned that potential loss of 5,000 euro now on a potential profit of 836 euro. And of course we made some money during the day. We're up 1,102 euro and 81 cents in realized profits today. So that was the outlook on the market for today, and tomorrow I'll talk a little bit about what comes up in May, as it's quite an exciting trading month, and I will also prepare later on or tomorrow, depending on my little market outlook for May, and we will see how that goes. You will see what I will trade, what I want to trade, and what things will be on my list. Looking forward to that. And as tomorrow is not a regular trading day because we have Labor Day in Germany, so German market will be closed, and I rather be outside in the sun reading a book or doing something funny, and therefore I won't do any index trading tomorrow, so we might as well use it as an additional weekend day and go a little bit deeper into some knowledge. And on Saturday and Sunday we will do the same, so we can get you to the next level. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to talk to you again tomorrow. Have a great evening and goodbye.